Yeah, viewers and subscribers. Guys, the comments them won't leave under the video. You see them. You understand what I did. And me see someone else say why if you get legal advice and them thing the guys. You see for the first time me get a lawyer. First time me get a lawyer. That is the time when she baby father come on the corner and I tell the same Jamaican girl where boy they with the 12-year-old daughter. The man come on the corner and attack, so they have a Jamaican for kill. And he name Nicholas. And the girl hear what go on and make me know what go on. You understand what I did? So people you see me go by the lawyer and I make sure know what go on. Hey, where lawyer tell me that I'm misfitted. She don't like Jamaican. You understand what I did? And the DPP send me to she. But true, they don't like the DPP. You know, they don't like we, because we's a Jamaican and the DPP is a Jamaican. You understand what I did? So, we don't have to seek legal advice on them things. Things them I do. And we DPP I tell me if you do. But these people now do not like us. You understand what I did? So, no matter what we do, them are going to try if you have you up in a court. You understand what I did? People, me get liar. Even with the bang belly goat. Me get liar and the liar come a court and tell the judge he can't charge me feet and yo and now me a court fee same friggin' thing. What them a try if you do rip me off. Alright guys, let me tell you how these people stay. Me have one son here, remember. Me have one son, even me see some comments where the people them a say, me fi try if you left ya. You understand guys, me willing to leave. Me willing to leave, but one thing, I have a son here. You understand what I did? That's the reason why I don't leave already. Be honest with you. I have a son here. That's the reason why I don't leave already. Guys, you see, even when we go court and I have to even explain myself the reason why me cause she bang belly goat her. I run the judge run me out of court, you know, I hear nothing. You see, even if me I explain myself and I tell them where he chat, where she tell him baby father and him baby sick father send come tell me. You see when me attack, I run them and run me out of court, they don't want to hear nothing. You understand what I did? Them a plan to kill me, you know. And me a talk about it, they don't want to hear. But bang belly goat, bag your face when you come a court. You suck a little money out of me, I know you want to suck a little blood. They have me in a court for that. People, I'm willing to left you so. I'm willing to left. Me see all of the comments, them guys are willing to leave. But I just threw my son. Believe that, guys. I'm out. The 12th of December, I go back a court. So, but I go get an update, guys. I'm out, guys. Guys, how you feel married to somebody? And when you're married to someone, you are going to tell them the reason why you're married. Because your father have a policy. And if she don't married and your father dead, you cannot get the money. So that's the reason why you're married. People, when me hear them thing there, them the thing they get me fast if you go divorce. Right now, guys, right now, I mean if you go pick up the divorce at the same liar woman that say she don't like Jamaican. Remember me tell you. And me I go pick up my divorce. You understand me? I go get me divorce before it pick up my divorce before 12th of December. That's when me go to court, me I go give my lawyer and make them so I go. Cause this girl come like and say, yo, you ever see tick span cow? I saw them a people turn. You understand me? I did then nothing. Guys, I'm out.